guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Key, and today guys we are doing an eyelash tutorial. I know I got a request to do an eyelash tutorial for you guys, so I'm gonna do it today. And yes, I'm still in my work clothes because I just got up for work and my day does not end when I go into work from home. I still gotta do YouTube videos. So I was like, let me go ahead and do this quick eyelash tutorial before I forget. So what you'll need is eyelashes. You can get any kind, doesn't matter what kind. You can get the expensive kind, the mink, or you can get the regular kind, Kiss. You can use any ones. You'll need some scissors, some eyelash glue. Sometimes they have glue that's for everything, eyelashes, glitter, all that. You need eyelash glue. It'll say adhesive, strip lash adhesive, or dual lash glue. Do not get super glue. Do not get super glue. Them things will be stuck on your eyelashes forever, or you might even pull them out. Do not get super glue. Okay? And tweezers. I do not have tweezers right now, so I'm gonna just use my fingers to put on my eyelash. Okay. So there is a certain way to put these on. Mine don't have it, but most time you'll be able to see how it's like a slant in the eyelash. That little slant is gonna be your inner corner. Okay. So I have one off. I took it off this way. So the way I took it off, this is the corner from my right eye. What you're gonna do is you're gonna cut it. You're gonna cut this end. You don't wanna cut too much, cut just a little bit. You can try to size it on first. I would size it on first before you cut it to see how it's gonna look on your eye. But every eyelash set is different. All right, so I cut a little bit off. You're gonna take your eyelash glue. You're gonna place your glue on your eyelash strip. I'm gonna come a little bit closer for y'all. Glue, eyelash strip. You don't really need a lot because this stuff, if you got good eyelash glue, you only need like one or two swipes. So you're gonna blow it, either fan it or set it down and prep the other one. While that one is getting tacky, don't let it stick. While that one's getting tacky, grab your other eyelash. This part right here is my inner corner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut that little piece off. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna cut that little end off right there. You only need to snip just a little bit. You don't need to snip the whole piece. Okay. So while that's getting tacky on that one, I'm gonna go ahead and get this left one ready. Okay. So it's eyelash glue. Some people do put their lash glue on their lash line. I tried it. I didn't like it. The eyelash glue got in my eye. And that mess was burning. So I'm gonna let that sit there. So while this one got tacky, okay, I'm gonna come closer for you guys. I'm gonna start in the middle here. And just work your way outward or inward. And then this is when the tweezers come in. It's better to be able to use tweezers so you can just press it on there and then clamp your real lashes and your false lashes together. But you'll know when it really sticks, it's not gonna move. Okay, so we got one on. I might add a little bit more glue to this side. It's better the more glue you have because it'll stick better. I'm gonna start in the middle here. Just trying to start in the middle. Sometimes they come up, sometimes they don't. Sometimes they have a mind of its own. They want to fight you. They don't want to sit. They don't want to sit on your lash line, right? And don't forget, the stuff is already tacky, so there's no reason why it don't want to stick. This is why tweezers come in handy too. And most time when this happens, I normally just put more glue on it. The other one stayed, but this one don't want to stay. It's better to wait for it to get tacky, y'all. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. You'll feel it sticking and getting tacky, but it be having its days where it don't want to stay on your lash. So now that we have both of them on, so what I would recommend is to not sleep in your eyelashes. That causes a whole bunch of buildup and bacteria once you keep wearing the same eyelash over and over again. And especially when you don't clean them, especially if we got eyelash extensions. That's another thing. People that get eyelash extensions, make sure you clean them and everything else. Like, don't let them cake up, build up. Take your eyelashes off, put some new ones on. I mean, it would be a new set every day because I'm not gonna keep reusing the same ones and I already got caked up glue, or I got caked up glue up here and I'm not cleaning my eyelashes right, because you can get an infection where if you don't keep your eyelashes clean and you just build up residue and glue. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you about how to remove them. So removing them, it depends on what type of lash glue you use. If you have a kind like I do, it's not that strong of it's not that strong of an adhesive. I like to just pull them off, just like this, and they'll come off. Especially if you haven't been wearing them long, you can just pull them off. But it's better to use a little bit of soap and water. Just a little bit of soap and water just to get them off, so you're not losing your eyelashes, because these will pull your eyelashes out. Especially if you have a good kind of lash glue with them, they're not going nowhere. They're not gonna move. So even if the wind starts blowing, you're not gonna lose a lash. That's the type of glue that you know you need some soap and water for to get it off. Okay. All right, guys. That is it for my eyelash tutorial. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.